Alright guys, we're back with another technical video. Today I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully you find your solution that you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you get to that resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video. And that's it guys. I hope this video helped answer your question and you found that answer that you're looking for. Now, please hit subscribe if it helped. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time on another one of these videos. Cheers.